Unraveling the phrase, have a bone to pick. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore an intriguing expression, have a bone to pick. This phrase is widely used in English conversations, but what does it actually mean? And how can you use it correctly? Stay tuned as we unravel the mystery behind this expression. At its core, have a bone to pick is an idiomatic phrase used to indicate that someone has a matter that needs resolution or a grievance that needs to be discussed with someone else. It usually implies that there's a bit of contention or disagreement that hasn't been settled yet. The phrase can trace its origins back to the idea of a dog picking a bone clean, a process that takes time and effort, much like resolving a dispute or discussing a problem. Using have a bone to pick is straightforward, but it's crucial to understand the context in which it's appropriate. This phrase is best used in informal settings among friends, family, or close colleagues. Here's an example of how you might use it in a sentence. Hey, I've got a bone to pick with you about the dishes left in the sink last night. It's a way to initiate a conversation about a problem or concern, but it's important to approach the discussion with a tone of wanting to resolve the issue, rather than starting a confrontation. Let's look at a few more examples to better understand how have a bone to pick fits into everyday conversations. During a meeting, one colleague might say to another, I have a bone to pick with you about the figures you presented in the report. In a lighter context, a friend might say, I still have a bone to pick with you about spoiling the ending of that movie for me. While have a bone to pick is generally understood and accepted in English-speaking cultures, it's always important to be sensitive to how such phrases are perceived in different cultural contexts. Misunderstandings can occur if the phrase is taken literally or if the underlying tone is misinterpreted. Always consider your audience and their comfort level with idiomatic expressions. And there you have it, folks. We hope this video has shed some light on the meaning and use of the phrase, have a bone to pick. It's a useful expression for addressing issues in a somewhat light-hearted manner, but remember to use it wisely and considerately. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you in our next English language learning adventure.